Hey everyone. Today we're talking about the heart hands emoji, the emoji that shows love, care, and support with just your hands. It's one of the most heartwarming emojis out there. But what does it really mean when a girl or boy sends it? Let's find out. General meaning. The heart hands emoji represents love, support, gratitude, and care. It's like saying, I'm sending my heart to you, or you have my love and support. It's commonly used to express friendship, appreciation, emotional connection, or even flirty affection in a gentle way. Think of it as a visual hug for your heart, both sincere and sweet. When a girl sends this emoji, it usually means she's sending warmth, love, or appreciation your way. It could mean, I care about you deeply. You have my support. I'm grateful for you. If she's romantically interested, it can also mean my heart is yours, expressed in a sweet, tender, and slightly playful way. Basically, it's her way of sending a virtual hug filled with affection. When a boy sends a heart hands emoji, it shows warmth, sincerity, and emotional openness. It can mean, I care about you. You're important to me. I'm sending my love or support. If he's flirting, it's gentle, thoughtful affection, like saying you're special to me, without being too intense. It's the emoji equivalent of offering his heart to you in his hands. So next time someone sends you, remember, it's not just a cute gesture. It's love, care, and connection, wrapped in the most sincere way possible. The heart hands emoji says, I'm giving you my heart, and I care for you deeply.